Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. Today's episode is all about a relaxed half day in the life, and it's currently Saturday and we decided to kick things off bright and early, like 5:30 a.m. early, to head to the beach. It's been ages since we've had some beach time, so today felt like the perfect chance. So let's go! We're heading to a spot we've never been before called the Sunrise Beach in Jumeirah 2. It's a bit more private than some of the other beaches around here, plus you get this awesome view of Dubai skyline, and if you time it right, you can also catch the sunset too, hence the name of Sunset Beach. Dubai is known for its stunning white sand beaches, and Jumeirah's got a bunch of them, like Kite Beach, Marina Beach, Sukim, and many more. We've explored a few, but it's always fun to find a new spot. The water was super refreshing, especially with the early morning coolness. The beach is also very peaceful, with the sun just beginning to rise and the waves gently rolling in. After our swim, we took some time to relax, grab a bite to eat, and soak in the beautiful view of the Dubai waters. So, after soaking up some sun and splashing around, we're off to one of our weekend staples, the Waterfront Market in Dera. If you haven't seen our detailed blog on this place, I'll drop the link in the description below. We usually do our big weekly haul here, grabbing everything we need to keep the kitchen stocked and ready. And thus, this market is our go-to for stocking up all the essentials: fresh fish, seafood, meat, fruits, and vegetables. And of course, we had to get our signature fresh coconut. Now that we've got everything we need, we're heading back home to whip up some lunch. Today, we're making kinilaw na tuna, basically Filipino ceviche. It's super simple and crazy good. We just mix vinegar, a little salt, pepper, minced garlic, ginger, and chopped onion in one bowl. Then in another, we've got the tuna, tomatoes, cucumber, and bell pepper. Then just simply combine everything together, and then you're done. We're also frying up some tulingan, aka mackerel tuna for those who don't know, to go with the ceviche. The seasoning is super basic, just salt and pepper, but it's perfect. We also whipped up a quick dipping sauce with soy sauce, onions, and chili for a little extra kick. We've also got some leftover pochero from last night, so that's making an appearance on the table too. So, with all that ready, it's time to dig in. And of course, no meal is complete without a good movie to watch while we eat. And this concludes our 30th episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this super chilled and laid back vlog, and we'll definitely be doing more like this soon. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!